Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Amazing Life by Kaushiki, and today we are doing a very interesting video. It's one of the items that I used for my master bedroom decor, and if you have not checked out that video, I will link that in the description box and you can watch that video. So in that video I have shown you this plant bag or a plant pot sleeve. Now this sleeve comes really handy if you have large pots or when you don't want to quite often move the pot from here or there. It's in some those of the awkward spaces, like in between the two sofas or in the corner of a bed, where it really gets difficult to get them, take it out, clean it up, and then again put that pot back in the place. So this comes really handy. I have used jute and cotton fabric, but you can make this out of any fabric. They are easy to wash, and they are super easy to make. And I have seen these pot bags on Amazon. They are so expensive. So let's make it at a very tiny budget, and I'll link everything in the description box, all the materials that I have used. So without much further ado, let's get started with the video. So for this we will need two types of fabric. Over here I have chosen jute and cotton fabric, scissor, a measuring tape, needle or thread. You can also use your stitching machine, some pom-pom lace or any kind of lace. You can also use macrame. I have left how to measure the fabric in the description box also, and after you have measured the fabric, just cut the fabric and stitch in simple running stitches. So you have to stitch the three sides, and once that's done, then we will turn the whole fabric inside out. You can take it to the stitching machine and stitch all the corners, or you can just simply use needle and thread that I am showing you here. You can easily do that with that as well. It works perfectly fine. This is how the entire fabric looks like after it's been stitched, and now from this side I will turn the fabric or invert the fabric inside out. So I have made this macrame design using lark's knot and half hitch knot, double half hitch knot, and I have shown you in my previous video how to make this type of a design. So I'll link that video in the description box for you. Now since we have made it on another rod, so I'm just trying to secure all the knots here, and I'm just using simple stitch, locking stitch. I don't know which stitch this is called. I'm not so good with stitching names per se, so I'm just trying to lock everything, if you can follow. Now when I have stitched all this, so if I slide this out of this rod, it stays like a lace. So you can see this stays like a lace. Now again, with a locking stitch, I'm going to attach this macrame design onto this sleeve. If you're liking this video, then please consider subscribing to our channel. We post new videos every week on decor, lifestyle, recipes, occasional decors. We are also there on Instagram and Pinterest, and I'll leave my handle for those social media in the description box. I have recently made this macrame plant hanger that is very beautiful, and where I have explained everything in detail about the knots that I have used in this project, and at the same time in that plant hanger project as well. You can go and check that video, and it's pretty detailed, and you will be able to understand what goes behind this macrame projects. Once this is attached, so on one side I have attached a Velcro, and just on the other side, on the cotton side, I have attached one side of the Velcro, and on the jute side is the Velcro. So you please make sure whenever you are attaching the Velcro, it's on the both sides of the fabric, not just on the one side of the fabric. So one will be on the inside and another will be on the outside. And this is the finished look, and it's ready to go inside the pot. So let's put this on the pot. So this is the ugly pot that I have in my master bedroom, and I wanted so badly to cover this. So let's dress this. Just attach the Velcro. It's looking so beautiful, so beautiful. I can't tell you. This adds such a value in the decor of my master bedroom. It's a statement piece in itself, and it costed me fraction of a cost. It was, the whole project was less than 100-200 rupees, I guess so. Considering I have already had jute fabric, I had even I'm including all those costs. So yes, it's a lot of money saver, and it brings a gorgeous decor. Thank you so much for watching my channel, and do subscribe, and we'll share more videos like this, and thank you so much.